Today, I'm going to show you how to use different social media platforms to get more views on YouTube and grow your audience. Okay, first, so you're going to pick the right platform for your audience. So, like this says here, this first point, not all platforms are created equal. Focus on the platforms where your audience is most active. So, you'll have to figure out which platform they're using. TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, X. You got to figure that out. So Instagram is more like it's a more smooth and aesthetic type platform. People are looking for something that looks good and they want to click it. TikTok is quick cuts, engaging. It's fast paced. They're swiping and 30-second videos, everything. Snapchat, kind of the same thing. It's kind of a mixture. Facebook is the older demographic, things like that. So you'll just have to figure out which one fits your niche the most. And then just pause this video and take a screenshot of this if you want to read these examples. So a tip here, start with one platform you're comfortable with before expanding to others. So what that means is you don't want to, sure, you can sign up for all of them, but you don't want to try to spend 10% of your time on each one, because then that's going to bog you down. It's going to slow down your growth. You want to get really good at one platform, and then you want to move on to the other ones. That's how you really grow and expand effectively. So number 2, tease your YouTube content. So what that's saying is you don't just post your full video. You want to share a teaser on social media that leaves viewers wanting more. So I think TikTok does have a feature where you can upload a 10-minute video now, or you can make a 10-minute video. You got to make a short 30-second video. You want to make it quick, engaging, exciting. That's what they like. So, and then what you'll do is you'll link to your YouTube channel, and if they're interested in it, then they'll go to your YouTube channel, then they'll watch your YouTube video. And then that's a quick way to get more views and more eyes on it, more likes. That's how you're going to grow your audience with TikTok. And engage in the communities. So right here, find your communities and groups, platforms, Reddit, Facebook, Discord. Become an active member by contributing value and sharing your videos when it's relevant. So you're going to join these groups, Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord, and things like that. You're going to join the groups, and then you're going to be an active member, giving value, giving advice. If somebody asks a question, and you know the answer, comment to it, and then go above and beyond and give more and more. And then people are going to react and comment and join in, and then they're going to look at you like, hey, this guy knows what you're talking about. And then when the time is right, it's the jab, jab, punch. You're going to put your link, or you're going to say, hey, I have a YouTube channel that gives all this information away, and that's how you get your way in there. So number 4, using hashtags and captions effectively. So with specifically for TikTok and Instagram, and I don't think you can on Snap, but Twitter, you can use hashtags, and it really does help you to grow your audience and helps people to find your content, and that'll help a little bit. So right here, if you're promoting YouTube tips, use hashtags like YouTube growth, video marketing, YouTube tips, whatever your niche is, just do that. And then put growth behind it, or tips behind it, or whatever your niche is. You'll just have to figure that part out. But you want to use hashtags and captions so the algorithm can read those effectively. And then the last tip here is cross-promote on multiple platforms. So like I said, leverage your audience across platforms. If someone follows you on Instagram, encourage them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So like I said, you get good at one, and then you expand to these other ones, but that next step, you're going to actually start directing these people to a specific channel. The first bonus tip is engage with your audience on YouTube and engage with your audience on the other platforms too. So you're going to do a post, and then you're going to get comments, likes, and things like that. So you want to make sure that you're spending the time going there, commenting, being friendly, engaging. You want to make sure you're doing that for 2 reasons. So that they know, hey, he's responsive, so I'm going to keep commenting and asking questions because I may get a response. And then 2, the algorithm doesn't really know what's happening with those comments. All it's seeing is that, hey, this post, this video is getting a lot of engagement, so we want to push this out and see if more people will engage with it. And then 2, you want to collaborate with other people. You don't want to necessarily collaborate with someone who's in direct competition with you, but there may be an instance where that is effective. If you know someone and their style complements yours, and then you guys are kind of like a yin and yang or something, collaborate with that person. See if you guys can both benefit from each other's audiences in some way, and then that's how you'll grow your audience, by using someone else's audience. And it's kind of like a give and take type thing. Okay, that's it for the YouTube video. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these to grow your YouTube channel. Bye.